In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Bluehost hosting plan. Whether you're looking to scale up as your website grows, or perhaps adjust to a more cost-effective plan, this guide will walk you through the process with ease and clarity. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Bluehost account manager. If you're not already signed in, head over to the Bluehost website. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your username and your password, and click the login button to access your account dashboard. Once inside, you'll have access to all your hosting details and options. Now, once you're in the account manager, direct your attention to the top navigation menu. You're going to want to click on the Hosting tab. You should see a few tabs there, so ensure you're selecting the correct one, as the Hosting tab is your gateway to any changes you need to make regarding your hosting services. With the Hosting tab open, take a look around, but all eyes should be on the Upgrade Plan button. The placement might vary slightly depending on updates to the website interface, but you'll usually find it prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this will present you with an array of hosting plans available. Here, Bluehost offers several options, so you'll want to know before this step which plan suits your needs best. You can compare the features of each available plan if you're unsure which one meets your needs most effectively. Consider aspects like storage, bandwidth, and any specific tools your website might require. Once you've made your decision, select your desired new plan. Click on Upgrade Now, next to the plan that fits your needs best. This is a crucial step as it locks in your choice, so be sure you've chosen carefully. After selecting your plan, the next step involves completing the payment. This is where you'll enter your payment information, ensuring you have your preferred payment method handy. Double-check the billing information and the total cost, which will be displayed, to ensure there are no surprises. Finally, once all that is reviewed and complete, confirm the payment. This action finalizes your hosting plan change, and you should receive a confirmation email from Bluehost. This email will detail your new plan and any changes to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Bluehost hosting plan. That wasn't so hard, was it? Remember, upgrading your hosting plan can provide more resources and maintain your website's performance as your online presence grows. If you have any questions or run into issues, Bluehost's support team is always just a phone call or chat message away. Thanks for joining me today, and happy hosting!